Hello everyone, this is Usma Sheikh and today we will discuss about angles. In this presentation, we will discuss about congruent angles, inequality of angles and different types of angles. So what is an angle? An angle is a union of two rays having same origin. The origin is called the vertex of the angle. Angles are formed when two or more line segments or rays meet at a single point. For example, here we can see in this diagram, when two lines intersect each other, they form angles. Even when two line segments intersect each other, they form angles. When two rays meet at a single point, they form angle. What are congruent angles? Two angles with same measurements are called congruent angles. As for example, measurement of angle ABC is 30 degree and measurement of angle PQR is also 30 degree. Hence, they are congruent to each other. Congruent angles have the same size and shape. Now we'll discuss properties of congruent angles. And they are reflexivity, symmetry and transitivity. What is reflexivity? We all know two angles are called congruent angles when they are of same measurement. Hence, every angle is congruent to itself. This property is called reflexivity. What is symmetry? If angle ABC is congruent to angle PQR, then angle PQR is also congruent to angle ABC. This property is known as symmetry. What is transitivity? If angle ABC is congruent to angle PQR and angle PQR is congruent to angle XYZ, then angle ABC is congruent to angle XYZ. This property is called transitivity. Now we'll discuss about inequality of angles. If the measures of two angles are different, then the angles are unequal. Example, here measurement of angle ABC is 40 degree and measurement of angle XYZ is 90 degree. Hence, they are not congruent to each other or they are unequal. Now, we will discuss about different types of angles. There are basically four main types of angles. First one, right angle. When the measure of any angle is 90 degree, then the angle is called right angle. Acute angle. When the measure of any angle is less than 90 degree, then the angle is called acute angle. Obtuse angle. When the measure of any angle is more than 90 degree, then the angle is called obtuse angle. And last one, straight angle. When the measure of any angle is 180 degree, then the angle is called straight angle. Hence today we had discussed about congruent angles, unequal angles and different types of angles. Thank you very much.